Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a car that's been making waves in the automotive world, the 2025 Kia K4 Wagon. Kia has truly stepped up its game with this model loaded with features. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 K4 Wagon so special. If you are new and still have not subscribed us, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. First up, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 Kia K4 Wagon has a sleek, contemporary look that blends the practicality of a wagon with the sharpness of a modern sedan. The front end is aggressive, featuring Kia's signature tiger nose grille that gives the car a bold presence on the road. The headlights are narrow and angular, incorporating LED technology that not only looks great but also improves visibility at night. The body itself is sculpted with smooth lines that enhance its aerodynamics. From the side, you can see the K4 Wagon's long roofline. The rear end is equally impressive, with sharp, slim taillights that wrap around the edges, giving it a modern, almost futuristic feel. Now let's move to the interior, where the 2025 K4 Wagon truly shines. The cabin is spacious and modern, with high-quality materials used throughout. The dashboard is minimalistic yet stylish, with soft-touch materials and sleek, clean lines. One of the standout features is the large touchscreen that's seamlessly integrated into the center console. It's responsive and intuitive, giving you easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Kia's infotainment system is one of the most user-friendly on the market, and this is no exception. You also get a set of physical buttons and knobs below the screen for quick access to essential functions, which is a nice touch for those who prefer tactile controls. In terms of technology, the 2025 K4 Wagon is loaded with features. It comes standard with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia K4 Wagon offers a variety of engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces around 190 horsepower, making it a solid choice for everyday driving. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, which provides smooth, effortless shifts. For those looking for a bit more power, Kia offers an optional 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that cranks out 290 horsepower, delivering a more spirited driving experience. This engine provides plenty of acceleration when you need it, and the K4 Wagon handles corners with confidence, thanks to its well-tuned suspension. When it comes to fuel economy, the 2.5-liter engine delivers impressive efficiency, offering around 28 miles per gallon on the highway. As for pricing, the 2025 Kia K4 Wagon starts at around $30,000 for the base model, which includes the 2.5-liter engine and a generous list of standard features. The higher-end trims, which come with the turbocharged engine and additional luxury features, can push the price up to about $38,000. To wrap things up, the 2025 Kia K4 Wagon is a well-rounded car that offers something for everyone. Thanks for tuning in to this review of the 2025 Kia K4 Wagon. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more car review. We'll see you next time.